Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing engine block heater that goes in the lower radiator hose. It's not like a whole blanket like a big one that you put on a diesel truck or something. It's just a little one. It's a little circle thing, looks like a little turbo. Goes around you cut the radiator hose, goes in there, and then plug it in. It's good, so it makes it so I'm not going to freeze every day on my way to school. Alright, let's get into that.
Next morning.
Alright guys, so it's the next morning. Austin had his truck plugged in overnight and he said that it worked pretty good when he turned it on this morning. It was already warm. So we determined that that's a good factor. And now we are on our way getting the boards loaded up because we're going snowboarding with Aaron today, so that'll be lit. And here's the clips from that. What's up, vlog? First run of the season. Let's get it.
Tough. It is tough.
I killed myself! Yo! Keep running me over! First run was like halfway successful.
You live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up